tuple was there, it got iterated over to each and every element. That is, we are passing it as a single element, but when I say single element, they get separated and every element in the tuple gets printed up over there. So that was about your slicing tuples. Now one more example, or a few more examples. What happens if I give your tuple, that is r, not r, y is equals to tup, y is equals to tup, and what happens if I give it as your colon colon 4? So what happens here? Let's just check. So print y. Okay, so I'll just read on it. So just see, KLA got printed out. K, L and A. What does it mean? So KLA got printed out, right? K is nothing but the first element. L is nothing but what? The third element, and the R. That was about your slicing operations or slicing tuples. Okay, and just check out PPT. So Python script, in order to just so Python script to count the elements in a list until an element is a tuple. Okay, so just see there what they have done. They have created a tuple, right? And tuple also consists they have created a list, and in a list we have a tuple. Okay, so count CTR is nothing but a counter or a count for n in num. If is instance n tuple break, CTR is equals to 1. So what is happening? We'll just write that particular code and then check. Okay, so I'll just write a program of that. I'll just take a new file. So what is the file name I'm gonna give? I'll give it as is instance. Okay, as we are using is instance function here, instance underscore program. Okay, Python file. So let me write a program for it now. Okay, so I'll take up a number is equals to, I'll take up 10, 39, 56, 78, I'll create a list 54, 70, okay, then 55, 32. Okay, so this is my tuple, this is my list within a, I also have a tuple inside it. After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it as count is equals to 0, right? Count is equals to 0. So for n in any variable, or else I can take it as for I in num, right, colon. After that, if is instance. Okay, now just check here. Okay, is instance, right, n num, right, sorry, I'll take it as I comma tuple, right? Then what else? Break, then count is equals to count plus 1, right? After that, what it has to do? It has to print the count. Okay, so I'll just run it. What did it do? So okay, indentation error. Okay, something is okay for n in number. I'll just change the variable and see. Run. So it is just giving you the 2, 3, 4. Just see here. I'll just try to print the numbers as well. Print n. Let me check what happens over there. Or else I'll just print n. Okay. Yeah, I'll just rerun it. Just check 10, 39, 6 and 78 got printed out. But when a tuple has occurred, okay, it came out of the loop and stopped. What if I do it for the list now? I take it as a list and I give it as a, what happens? Let's just check over there. I'll make it as a list. Okay, now here is instance. Okay, list. Okay, so what happens? Let us check. Just check them, or else I'll take it the list element is only up till here. Run instance. So just check out there 10, 39, 6, 78 and 54 got printed up, but once it reached 70, that is nothing but a tuple. The break statement was executed and it came out of the loop and it stopped executing further. What if I remove it now? Okay, and I'll just rerun it. So all the elements are being executed, right? So this is how you use your isInstance function. Okay, so what is that isInstance in Python? You'll just think, what does your isInstance function do? So your isInstance function will return true if the specified object is true, otherwise false. You're gonna check if the type of parameter in the tuple is there or no. Okay, so you're gonna check if you have a tuple, it is gonna return true, or else it is gonna return false. Okay, so that was about your just checking if it is there or no. Okay, so that was about it. Now so we have discussed about your creating a string from a tuple. Okay, and okay. So we have discussed the built-in functions with a tuple. So and we have also discussed about slicing tuples in this particular session, right? Now in the next session we will be discussing about what is a dictionary and how do you create a dictionary, and what are the different methods or dictionary methods available in Python, and then you're gonna write few examples and we are gonna work out with few of the programs as well. So that was about your tuples and slicing of tuples and various operations on the tuples.